Hello everyone. It is Sunday, December the 27th, about 12 noon, and this is DelrayVAWeather.com. We're going to talk a little bit about the upcoming start of more seasonable temperatures in the upper 20s to low to mid 40s, and we're going to talk a little bit about the current outlook for our first measurable snow. What you see on the screen is the Euro model projection for the next 10 days for temperatures at Washington Reagan National Airport. And what it's showing is that starting January the 2nd, we're going to really cool down. Actually, it may even start as early as January the 1st. And we're going to be, the lows are going to be certainly in the mid 30s to upper 20s, with daytime highs in the low 40s to even one day high 20s. Okay, the GFS is saying basically the same thing. We have a period that's going to be starting in January the 1st, and as you can see, this is on a downward trend as far as temperatures are concerned. Okay, this is the temperature ensemble from the U.S. GFS system, and again, it's showing that starting in the neighborhood of Friday, the 1st of January, New Year's Day, we're going to start seeing a substantial cool down. We're going to be at or slightly below this normal lows. Normal low for this time, January 1st, the end of December, is about 30 degrees, and the daily high is normally at the end of December about the mid 40s. So it is showing that our lows are going to be below freezing, actually starting probably sometime Saturday morning, the 2nd of January. Okay, now let's look at our prospects for snow. This is the Euro model. This is a short-term projection, about 10 days, and it's showing that we're going to have a slight chance of snow sometime after the 3rd of January, but it's going to ramp up rapidly around somewhere between the 7th and the 9th of January. So we're looking at a snowy period potentially after January the 8th. This is the mean projection at this point is by the 11th of January, we'll have somewhere around a half an inch of snowfall total. Okay, this is again the ensemble mean, what we were just looking at. And this is currently set for, let's see, Friday, January the 8th. You can see this gray area, DC is right here. This gray area is somewhere between a 1/10 of an inch and 5/10 of an inch. And if we bump this up a little bit, you'll see that this darker gray area gets closer and closer to us. And so it'll be very close to us about the 11th of January, and that corresponds to somewhere between a half an inch and an inch of snow. So it's graphically showing what we were just looking at in the ensemble graph. Okay, this is a longer range analysis of our snow projections. This is from the European model. It's a 50-member ensemble that goes out to 45 days, and it's showing that again sometime after the 1st of January we're going to start seeing the potential each day for some snow. And the number of ensembles that are indicating snow start increasing around the 11th of January, and pretty much all of them are signaling snow, certainly by after the 21st of January. So if we look at all the way out to the 6th of February, we're looking at a mean total of 4 inches, and that's the mean. It could be above or below, but again, it's showing there's a number of these ensembles that show significantly more than 5 inches of snow. Some of them are showing 10 to 12 inches by the 6th of January or the 7th of January. Okay, this is the American Global Ensemble Forecasting System. It goes out to 16 days, and if we bump this around a little bit, it's showing that when we get into the neighborhood of January the 11th, this is DC right here, we start getting up into the 30% probability of having a total snowfall over 1 inch. If we go out to, actually the 16 days isn't really up yet, but this is showing certainly we have somewhere in the neighborhood of a 30 to 40% chance by the 11th of January of having close to 1 inch of snow total accumulation. Okay, I guess that's where I'll leave it for now. I'm going to keep monitoring this as we get a little closer to the January 8th date. It'll become more accurate as to the potential for snow in the DC Alexandria area. But I think we're looking at certainly by somewhere in the 8th to the 11th of January actually seeing some measurable snow. Okay, if you have any questions, just give me a tweet at PatPend, that's PATPEND, and I'll try and answer them. Thanks a lot.